Well, that was a nice sandwich in there, wasn't it?
It was beautiful.
Yes. Scottish roast beef, top side of roast beef,
It was lovely.
tomato and pickle with salad, coleslaw, lovely.
Oh.
Morris Minor. I think it's a Morris Allegro. It's on back usually. Yeah, it's the way around.
So I think I'm more impressed with that.
We're going to do the circular walk, Riverside walk, which then will take us to the caravan side. Got a gallery. Arts gallery. Yes, they kept up with these houses. Go left here, Riverside walk. That's church, isn't it? Getting barked at, we're getting barked at. So you can actually stop in church, it's got ensuite guest accommodation. Old Kirk Coffee Lounge.
Not old. Just got my license.
Well, it directed us this way to Riverside Walk, but
Oh, pick another one up somewhere.
probably. We followed Green South at Riverside Walk and he's turned us round block, fetched us back to the railway station. So we're going to go back down to the side and start from there. Yeah, so it's just taking you out back streets of Ballater. Back to the car park and church there, look. So his intention was to walk anti-clockwise to pick up the Riverside Walk, and it's directed us right next to the caravan site. So we might as well come down to the caravan and set off from bottom at side. Never mind. Won't that be sandwich up? Different view at site anyway. Yeah, this is, like you said, this is all service, seasonal area, isn't it? Yeah. That caravan looks familiar up there. Right, so this should be the Riverside Walk. Not sure how much at River you can see. Might be a Riverside Walk, but I don't think you can see anything at River at the moment. You're entering golf course. So if you get hit by a golf ball, it's your fault now because it told you. You're entering at your own risk. See the river. Just catch a glimpse through the trees. So that's the golf course. Yeah, I bet when rivers in high flood, I bet it does flood all this area. You see there's tree trunks and everything in there. You can see here in front it's piled up gravel up here. Now that's had some power of water there, hasn't it? Yeah, it looks so timid. Look at all them stones. It's well, Techie's washed them down with it. A barrier to protect things. I don't know. Yeah, it's got been washed down, that, hasn't it? Yeah, it just looks like a war zone, doesn't it? Tree trunks piled up there. Yeah. decimated. Nicely stacked them up, those tree trunks, though, isn't it? Not a place you'd want to walk when the river's in high flood, would you? Or high water levels. Plenty of brooms here, isn't there? Yeah, it's a good view. I wonder if it is like wild rosemary you can smell, because it's like it's scented, but it's like a sweety scent, isn't it? Yeah. You just get a whiff of it now and again, don't you?
Yeah.
Yes, it's a stunning location, I must admit. Still fast flowing though, even though it's like low water levels. I know it's really shallow here, but we're certainly skirting that golf course anyway, aren't we? Still following perimeter at golf course. I'm not into golf, but when you see a golf course they always look immaculate, don't they? Yeah. Like I say, it reminds you of these glacier rivers in New Zealand, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, it's washed that bank away over there, hasn't it? It's certainly cut into a bank over there. It's got to be a right torrent, winter time. I mean, that's higher than us, isn't it, that? Must be another 10 foot higher than I stand here. Probably more than that because we're further away from it. Down at river level now. See how it's washed all that bank away. And all the stones are on this side, pebbles. Right, we'll carry on. Karen's up here somewhere. Got loads of sandbags here. Yeah, you can see where it's all for all the tree branches and that, can't you? You can hear rocks falling onto Bankside there. Yes, there's certainly some tree debris there, isn't there? Yeah, if there was a path that side, I think it might have been washed away. It's like just washed all that hill away, hasn't it? The power of nature, you can't stop it, can you? No matter how much you try. Little hut in there. I mean, these are mammoth tree trunks in here. Been washed into here. You found out what's smelling yet? That sweet smell. You just get a whiff of it now and again, don't you? I bet there's some undertow under that river over there, that deep part. And we're still following the golf course. And it started drizzling. And the winds got up. Quick, sharp, short showers, aren't they? Reminds me of when we were in France. I know, beautiful, isn't it? Don't like it on that tree. So you can either carry straight on to Balmoral for another 7 or 8 miles, or turn somewhere and work his way back. Right, so we left the golf course area now. It's a nice walk this actually, isn't it? Certainly plenty of rowan trees here, isn't there? No, just don't want them all over our garden. I bet when we get back there'll be hundreds of seedlings again to pull up again. That's it. Riverside walk finished. We'll find his way back now. That's what it says. Riverside walk that way. Leads you up to Main Road by the looks of it. I reckon somebody moved that sign round. They've got to duck.
Unless it were a small green adder.
Oh, or a big green that said Riverside walk. Had it?
One off gold.
Yeah.
What rest of it was from
Yeah. So we'll see where it starts in Ballater now.
Yeah.
We know it starts near enough from Caravan side. So we've got station half a mile. So we followed that green sign that said Riverside Walk, but it were down in Ballater though.
That was a pleasant walk.
Isn't it? I think, yeah, straight down. There's green arrows there.
What was it?
Straight across.
We came in on that because I remember seeing that.
Yeah. Oh, up there with turrets.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's like the old railway track. I would have thought so with stone wall there.
Well, that line, old line end,
Yeah.
suggests it is,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
So this has got,
So you're walking in history now.
yeah,
The Royals come to Balmoral to this station.
it's going to take.
That's a good circular walk that one, isn't it? I like where they all have these round rooms at the end, don't they? Turrets or whatever, don't they? Yeah, yeah. It is.
What would you call that? That's not a porch, is it? Veranda.
Veranda. Right, we'll see where this comes out. So that's where we should have gone up. We missed the sign. I don't know.
That's now.
Yeah.
We've done 2 1/4 to it, so we've added an extra half a mile on.
Yeah.
Tuesday.
Say 3 mile.
Yeah.
So here we are. Back in Ballater again. So that's one walk done. Yeah. War Memorial outside the church. Sun's in the wrong place really. It's certainly nicely kept, I must admit. Right, so here we are back. A bigger circular walk than what we thought we were going to do. Here we are, just timed it right. Rain's coming.
Yeah.
Hope you like that little riverside walk. We circular route. We did a bit longer than we thought we would do because we missed that turning. It were hidden by tree branches, so we missed it. Never mind. We ended up doing it all the way around. So it's a nice walk, I must admit. We did have a couple of showers, and like I say, we just got back in time just before it chucked it down. And we're probably going to go for another walk tomorrow. We're going to have a car-free couple of days, I think. So we're just going to stick around Ballater. Like I say, originally we come up here to go to Balmoral Castle, but like you say, even the grounds are closed now because Royals are in residence. So unfortunately we can't go there, so we'll have to do another trip back at some point. So we're probably going to pick one of these other walks. There's numerous little walks around the area. There's some just a couple of miles long, there's some 7 miles long. So we'll decide on the weather tomorrow and where we want to walk. So if you like this video, don't forget, do normal YouTubey stuff, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video from Ballater. Bye for now. Bye.